upon us this day, for the Lord, our Savior, is born for us. It's a time of praise and thanksgiving for the incarnation of God in Jesus Christ. Let us find that joy within us and share it with others as we get inspired by witnessing this skit.
Joseph, get ready, Joseph. We must leave for the earth.
For the earth? Whatever for?
They are expecting Jesus to be born this Christmas.
Born? After 2000 years, Mary?
Come on, we must not keep them waiting.
Okay.
Mary and Joseph come on stage and sit. Joseph arranges shawl in Mary's arm.
Joseph, please send for Raphael and Gabriel.
Raphael, Gabriel.
You send for us, Master?
Yes, go and announce the birth of Jesus to the poor, to the shepherds, to the police and to the rickshawalas.
Announce the birth?
Don't waste time being shocked. Just obey and you will understand.
But we are old and fat now. It is 100 of years since we did our first mission. We cannot fly much.
That's no problem. Take the helicopter and hurry.
Here, good people, we have great news for you. You shall! We bring you news of great joy. Today is born the Savior of the world, the Prince of Peace.
What bluff is this? A prince is born, a savior? Nobody but God can save us from injustice in society. From our selfishness, our greed, our hate, and so be off.
Come and see, the comment will lead you.
The angels go back on stage. The men begin to live.
They are coming, Your Majesties. Okay, good. Now, inform the three scientists who are at the moment meeting at 5-star hotel, the ones from Russia, Africa and India. Yes, we will, Your Majesties.
Off-stage voices are heard. The scientists are discussing something.
Yes, there is nothing like seeing for ourselves, and we badly need peace. Let's get our jeep ready.
The poor men come on stage, bow before Mary and kneel to one side. The scientists come and kneel, laying their gifts at Mary's feet.
Here, Prince of Peace, here is gold, all the precious heirlooms of my family. You are truly our king.
Here, Son of God is a collection of secrets of technology, the secrets of many sophisticated computers. This is a power of modern age for you.
Here, humble child, are the most expensive books on psychology and research on human behavior. These guarantee effective relationship and they will win for you many people.
They are silent for a while, then they whisper to each other.
Lady, please show us the baby, the king, the savior.
Yes, lady, please
Mary opens her arms and the baby shawl falls to the ground, revealing no baby. Sounds of shock, then angry voices.
You have cheated us! What a joke! Let's take our gifts back!
Wait.
My children, you expected to find a baby? Baby Jesus, he was born more than 2000 years ago. But he must be born again today, only in a different way.
How?
He must be born in people's heart, in people's life, and only you can make it happen. You must make Christmas happen.
How?
As the prophets in the past have said, stop injustice, show your love for God by really loving others, caring, sharing, forgiving, uniting everyone. Use your gifts for these purposes, you wise people. Bring about peace, then the Savior will really be born and He will reign over you. Help to build the world, the people, and make them happy. Go and build peace, make Christmas happen in your lives.
All go off stage, each scientist taking some poor person with them. Dear friends, here is a Christmas message for you. During this time of pandemic, thousands of people have lost their job. Many families, youth, children are affected badly. Let us share our gifts, our wealth, whatever we have, with the poor and the needy. May this Christmas become meaningful, bringing joy and hope to everyone. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to one and all.
Wishing you all a Merry Christmas. The gift of love, the gift of peace, the gift of happiness. May all these be yours at Christmas and all through the New Year.